Hi guys, if your Hisense TV keeps dimming automatically while watching, it's usually caused by the brightness sensors or the power saving features. So in this guide, you are going to learn exactly how you can stop it completely. So on your Hisense TV, you need to first of all go to the settings. Inside the settings, look for the option of pictures. Now inside the pictures, simply look for the option of brightness settings. Now you need to find the ambient light sensor or auto brightness control and then simply turn it off. Now this feature is going to adjust the brightness based on the room lighting and it is the most common cause of dimming. Now inside the settings itself, you just have to simply go to the power or the device preferences. Then simply look for the energy saving option. Here you need to turn off the energy saving mode or you can set it to off or high performance. This setting is going to reduce the screen brightness and it is also going to save the power, especially during the dark scenes. Now you can also increase the brightness level and not just the brightness. Brightness controls the black levels while backlight controls the overall screen light output. So the low backlight can make the screen look like it is dimming constantly. So you can also change these settings. So these steps will stop unwanted dimming on your Hisense TV for sure. Thank you.